Welcome to MBBS Council. In this video, we will see Armed Forces Medical College Pune admission details. After completing this video, you will know everything you need to know about AFMC Counselling. This video is part of MBBS Admission Counselling video course for government colleges. You can watch the complete course and video course section of MBBS Council Android app. If you have not installed the app, you can install it from Google Play Store. Install link is also given in the description below. Armed Forces Medical College was established during 1948 for postgraduate medical courses. MBBS course was started during 1962. Currently, this college intake is 150 candidates. 5 sponsored seats are available for NEET qualified foreign students from friendly countries. These seats are allotted by Ministry of External Affairs and Ministry of Defense. Remaining 145 seats are available for Indian candidates. Out of this, 30 seats are reserved for female candidates and up to 10 MBBS seats are reserved for SC/ST candidates. Let's see the eligibility criteria for AFMC. Candidate should be citizen of India. Candidate should have taken physics, chemistry, biology and English and passed it in first attempt. 60% aggregate marks for PCB and 50% individually in all subjects is mandatory. Candidate age should also be below 24 years and they should be unmarried. There is no All India quota in these medical colleges. All 150 MBBS seats are allotted by college itself by conducting additional tests to check English proficiency, logic and reasoning, followed by an interview and medical examination. This test is called as TOELR, which stands for Test of English Language Comprehension, Logic and Reasoning. AFMC conducts MCQ-based test with 40 questions for 80 marks. Duration of this exam is 30 minutes. This test is conducted online at AFMC Pune campus. Score of this test is added to your NEET score. Let's say you scored 70 marks in AFMC exam and 700 marks in NEET exam. Then your total score is 700 plus 70 is equal to 770 marks. You need to divide these marks by 4 so that you will get score out of 200. With these marks, you need to add your interview marks. Interview maximum mark is 50. So your total AFMC score will be out of 250. This AFMC score out of 250 is ranked by AFMC and the final merit list is released. For boys, All India rank cutoff was around 13,000 during last year. For girl candidates, it was around 9,000 during AFMC counselling. At the time of admission, you have to pay Rs 80,000 and subsequent years, you will be paying less than Rs 10,000 per year as tuition fees. During 1 year internship, you will be paid close to 58,000 per month as stipend. After completing the internship, you will get 63,100 per month as salary. The rank structure and the corresponding pay is given here. You will also be getting various allowances, Rs 4,000 per year for books, Rs 6,000 for uniform. Apart from this, you need not pay for the mess food expenses every month. After joining AFMC, each and every expenses will be taken care of. After completing medical course in AFMC, you have to serve armed forces for 7 years for short service commission. If you fail to do so, then you have to pay penalty of 63 lakhs. After 7 years, you can do the PG course in AFMC itself under ex-serviceman quota. Alternatively, you can join permanent commission. In such case, you can do PG course only after serving for 4 years in armed forces. AFMC has 8 constituent PG medical colleges which has 350 plus PG seats. The total intake of AFMC is 150 MBBS seats. So every MBBS candidate, irrespective of their NEET PG score, if they have qualified, will get AFMC PG seat through internal quota. Your PG seat is assured if you join MBBS in AFMC. Training cost by AFMC is calculated as 28,116 per week. So it works out to 14,62,032 rupees per year. For 4.5 years of MBBS course, it will cost 65 lakhs for AFMC to produce one doctor. This is why AFMC asks for bond money of 63 lakhs. This brings us to end of this video. If you have any doubts regarding NEET counseling, contact MBBS Admission Counselor by clicking the WhatsApp button on the home screen of MBBS Council app. Our counselors will answer them when they find free time. See you in another video.